Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make spicy chili chicken with gravy. You can prepare this on days where you want to prepare a quick yet tasty meal. There is no marination required, no deep frying, and you need only 5 ingredients to prepare the chili masala. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified about the new videos. Let us take a look at the ingredients. 500 grams of curry cut chicken washed and cleaned. To prepare chili masala we need half teaspoon of pepper, 12 to 15 garlic cloves, 8 dried red chilies, 4 cloves, 1 cup of coriander leaves. You can increase the quantity of red chilies and pepper to make it more spicy. Here I have 3 onions sliced, 1 small capsicum sliced, half a lime, and 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. To prepare the masala, add all the fry ingredients in the blender jar, add a little water and grind into a fine paste. Heat a kadai on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, add the sliced onions and fry till it starts turning brown. Now that the onions are fried, add chicken into it. Add the ground chili masala. Add water in the blender jar to get the remaining masala. Mix the chicken well with the masala and fried onions. Add salt as per taste and add water up to the level of chicken. Give it a stir. Turn the flame to medium high. Cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Once the gravy comes to a boil, reduce the flame to medium-low and let it cook for 20 minutes. Keep stirring in between. After about 20 minutes, add the sliced capsicum. Give it a stir and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes till the chicken is soft and tender. When the chicken is cooked, just before turning off the flame, add juice of half a lime. Give it a final mix. And here you have spicy chili chicken with gravy ready. The link for detailed written recipe is in the description box below. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.